Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, let's take a look at one more machine learning model, which is Neighbors Classifier. Let's quickly jump into the Colab and see how to write this one. Okay, let's K Neighbors Classifier. So this is also one of the classifier models. Basically, this is being used whenever you want to try with the clusters. But about the clusters and the neighbors model, I will explain everything in detail in the later part. This is only for the to understand like different types of models. Okay, let's start everything from the beginning. So this is the data set. Import pandas as pd. Df is equal to pd dot read csv format and low memory. Why I'm doing slow memory? So it's because I would like to use all the cores, CPU cores, available cores for this one. We already did data explorer analysis for this one already, so I'm not going through that again. If in case if you're watching this video, if you have not watched my previous videos, I strongly recommend you to watch the previous videos as well. Let's split the data. X is equal to, I'm going to assign all of this data into the X, and this is the Y. So df dot drop columns is equal to this one, axis is equal to 1. So I'm sure that by this time you're getting comfortable with these videos, guys. Let's split the data from sklearn dot model selection import train test split import numpy as np. See, I'm not at all doing copying and paste every time. I'm writing it so that it will be a good practice for me as well. So like that, I'm expecting you guys as well to do the same. Okay, so trying test split x y test size. So you have to practice in such a way that even after the sleep, if someone asks you like, hey, can you do this model, you are like, okay, I can do the code. So you have to learn like that. Okay, so it's always important after this one, do check the shape. Okay, this is fine, and then white is dot shape, this is also fine. 61 61 to 42 42. Now let's import k neighbors classifier model. Okay, so this model I have already, if you go through my classifier libraries, so here you can see this one, k neighbors classifier, right? So go back to here from sklearn.neighbors, import k neighbors classifier. This is being used for the clusters. So k neighbors classifier cluster C. So I mean, if you have data in the form of clusters like this, to fit the data in one of the clusters, they use this k neighbors classifier. So simply we call KNN model. Okay, let's go back to here. I'm going to call KNN as K neighbors classifier. Okay, now KNN dot set. Sorry, fit. Let's train the model. X train, Y train. So this is done. Hey, hooray! We have completed one more model successfully. Let's see KNN dot score. X train, comma Y train. So the accuracy that it predicted is 75%. Let's take a look at KNN dot score. X test, Y test. On the test data, it's like 15 score. So this model performs very poorly on this data set. So I'm going to save this as KNN test score. So we already in the previous videos, if you see, we already have performed different models. We applied different models. Let's put everything here. Data frame. Data is equal to. So okay, let's have this KNN model KNN. So KNN test score. Then random forest, that is RF test score. Mr. Logistic regression. Okay, this is LF test score, and we have um, SVC, right? Support vector classifier. So SVC, test score, all of these holds one value only. So they don't have any index. Let's pass an index is equal to accuracy. Okay, sorry, LR, logistic regression. Okay, these are all the values you can see. So KNN, it performs very poor, and random forest, it is the still it's the best one. Logistic regression 80 percentage, SVC is like 80. So let's plot this one. T dot plot kind is equal to bar. Let's see. There it go. So if you look at this one, random for forest is the best one. So this is how, if you have like multiple if you have a data set, you can perform multiple models and see like which one is the best. So as of now, what we did, we have performed K-neighbors classifier and logistic regression and random forest and everything individually. So instead of performing individual, like one by one, in my next video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to run all the multiple models using the functions at one time. So this is something that you can use in the production in the real time. So please do watch my next video. Thank you for watching this video.